How to use YT Create. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create YT Create application. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. First of all, you have to install the YT Create application from your Google Play Store, and after that you have to open the application. After that, to create the project, you have to tap on this plus icon. Now you can add the black clip from here, and you can select one of your photo or the video from your gallery. Let me select the blank clip. Now you can see I can split this. I can change the color of this blank clip, and I can delete this. I can create the duplicate of this by clicking on the duplicate option. Also guys, if I have to add the text on it, I can tap on the this a icon, and then after that I have to tap on the text effect, and I can select the text, and I can just simply tap on done. From there I can use the different features, and this is how you can create the project and use the YT Create application. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.